everyone. Hope you are doing good in studies and in other areas of your life as well. Although you hear this every day, but working hard will definitely help you in getting the job of your choice. I'm sure you would be aware that a variety of job choices are available to us. For example, agriculture, manufacturing, trade, transport, medical, engineering, administration, etc. These activities help us to earn money, due to which they are called economic activities. Economic activities can be broadly classified into three main categories. They are primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. Let us know about each type of activity in detail. The first one is primary activities. From the word primary, you can get the idea that these activities are earliest in order. In other words, you can say that since the beginning of civilization, people are involved in these activities. For example, fishing, mining, farming, gathering, etc. If you go in depth, you will find one thing is common in these activities. What is that? That is the extraction and production of natural resources. In all these activities, people withdraw the resources that are found in nature, such as fishes, minerals, different types of crops, etc., and sell them in the market in order to earn money. Thus, you can say primary activities deal with the extraction and production of natural resources. Hope you got my point. Now come to the secondary activities. As I just explained to you that there are a number of things that are taken out from nature, but all the natural products are not used directly. Rather, they are converted into useful goods. The people who are involved in converting and modifying natural resources into useful products are said to work under the secondary sector, and their work is called secondary activities. For example, manufacturing of cloth from cotton, sugar from sugarcane, and steel from iron ore. Now come to the third one, that is tertiary activities. Tertiary activities help in the development of the primary and secondary sectors. These activities by themselves do not produce a good, but they are an aid or support in the production process. For example, the clothes that are made in industries need to be transported to the market. Here the tertiary sector plays an important role by providing transportation service. Tertiary activities consist of all service occupations, such as transport, communication, trade, health, education, and administration. I hope it is clear to you. Now let us go back to primary activity, because in this chapter you have to study mainly about agriculture. That is a primary activity. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin words ager or agri, meaning soil, and culture meaning cultivation. Thus, agriculture is an art and science which deals with the cultivation of crops and domestication of animals. Similar to agriculture, we have sericulture, pisciculture, viticulture, and horticulture. But These terms have different meanings. Let us understand them one by one. Sericulture or silk farming is the cultivation of silkworms to produce silk for commercial purposes. Whereas pisciculture or fish farming involves raising fish in specially constructed tanks and ponds. Viticulture is the cultivation of grapes on a large scale. And horticulture is the agriculture of vegetables, flowers, and fruits for commercial use. I hope you got the meaning of all the terms. So children, let us end today's class here. In the next video, we will continue with the factors influencing the agriculture of an area. Do subscribe to my channel and get notifications about upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.